Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and I'm here in London at the House of Photography to get a sneaky first peek at Fujifilm's latest camera. This is the Fujifilm X half. Drawing inspiration from analog half-frame cameras, the X half gives you all the fun of film photography, but tailored to a digital world. Now we'll be doing a full in-depth hands-on review with this very soon, so make sure you're following us so you don't miss it. But for now, here's everything that you need to know. This camera has been optimized for the 3x4 vertical format and features a 17.74 megapixel 1-inch sensor. We have a 32mm f2.8 prime lens, an optical viewfinder, a back LCD screen and a secondary panel, a built-in LED for your flash and an array of analog-inspired filters such as light leak, expired film and halation. And of course, it wouldn't be a Fujifilm if it didn't have the film simulation modes. So the only difference being on this one that it just has 13, and that is because they've just put the most popular ones on here. So if you enjoy shooting in Reala Ace, Acros, Pro Neg, Classic Neg, Vivid, then you're going to be very happy. One of the things that's quite noticeable on here is that there is a distinct lack of buttons, and that's because the X half focuses predominantly on touch operation. So you've got your main LCD screen on the back here and then a secondary panel just next to it. Swiping up, down, left and right will bring up different menus or modes, and it is so nostalgic seeing how the film simulation is displayed. Now, one of the modes I'm looking forward to trying more is the film camera mode. I just feel as though that's going to be a whole lot of fun because you have to select and lock in your film type and also the number of shots that you're going to shoot. And as you do that, you just need to wind the film on as you go. And then at the end, you have to develop your film. So you can do that through the app, but it just adds that kind of really nice nostalgic feel to taking your shots and the excitement of not really knowing what they're going to look like. While you might mainly be using this camera for stills, there is the option to shoot video in full HD. The camera itself is tiny, weighing in at just 240 grams, and that's including the battery and memory card, so it's perfect for taking everywhere with you. And you'll also be able to connect the X half to the Instax Link printers for instant printing of your shots. So there you have it, a brief first look at the Fujifilm X half, and I'd be really interested to know what you think in the comments. And if you do want to find out any more information on the Fujifilm X half, then head on over to jessops.com now or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!